I think Sri Lanka is you know, located nicely in the middle of South Asia or Asia, uh, and there is so much of things are happening right now. If you look at the epicenter of uh, entire global economy is moving towards Asia after it was staying long period in towards Europe. So I think this is a right time that whole focus is now coming back to South Asia and Asia. And then if you look at South Asia, we have 2 billion population, which is 25% of the global population. And a lot of organization, not only this region, but even outside Europe to US to all these places, they are now eyeing at not just Sri Lanka, but South Asia as a market to sell their products and services. So in that respect, Sri Lanka offers a neutral location for all these companies. I think specifically the tech companies, Sri Lanka is a nice neutral location. So I think in that respect, we are in a very good time as a country to offer these services, companies to come and locate in Sri Lanka and Sri Lankan companies to go global as well, especially looking at the region. So Disrupt Asia is not a one-off event or a 4 days event. So Disrupt Asia is a long-term plan for Sri Lanka. I think what we look at is something going for a long duration to look at all the missing pieces in the entire ecosystem. So Disrupt Asia will have a program or a long-term project to cater for all these issues that we are facing and identify these issues and come up with solutions. So it's a not one-off thing, one event, but it's a series of long-term mapped programs and projects to take Sri Lanka to global in terms of technology innovation and identifying solutions for all the problems that we have in the ecosystem.